Welcome to the team, everybody. I am so incredibly stoked to have you all here. Look, as your tech product mentor, my job isn't just to, point out where the best coffee is, though that is important. It's really to equip you with the tools and the mindsets to absolutely revolutionize how you work. In today's explainer, we're taking on the biggest, baddest monster hiding in every junior sales rep's day, the inbox grind. We're going to look at a real case study of a rep who completely flipped his workflow on its head. And by the end of this, I want you to see exactly how you can work so much smarter, and definitely not harder.
Okay, let's dive into this. 700. Seriously, just take a second and imagine the sheer panic of managing up to 700 startup accounts at the exact same time. Like, no way, right? But this isn't some crazy hypothetical number. This was the actual, literal reality for our case study subject today, an account executive named Jared. Now, usually, as a startup AE, you might have, say, a couple hundred accounts. But Jared was juggling between 600 and 700 towards the end. Just imagine the constant pinging, the endless barrage of customer questions, and just that absolute mountain of unread messages glaring at you every single morning. I mean, it's a total recipe for instant burnout.
And when you're staring down that many accounts, here's what your life usually ends up looking like. It's the manual grind. You're stuck at your desk until 8 or 9 o'clock at night, frantically ping-ponging emails back and forth. You're constantly scouring through Slack channels, desperately digging through scattered knowledge bases, searching random Google Docs, hunting through messy Google Drives, just trying to find one simple technical answer for a client. It's exhausting. It's frantic. It literally never ends. But take a deep breath, because there is a technical way. This is where we bring in automated drafting. This is where intelligent context retrieval comes into play. This is where the machine does the heavy lifting for you and you actually get your evenings back.
So to get from that soul-crushing manual grind to the technical way, Jared had to ask himself one absolutely pivotal question. How could I bring Claude into the loop? Seriously, mentally highlight this, because this right here is the ultimate turning point. This is the exact moment Jared stopped acting like an overwhelmed, stressed-out junior rep and started thinking like a true technical architect. Instead of just, accepting the painful status quo and working late into the night, he looked at the AI tools right in front of him and wondered how he could design a system to actually solve his problem.
And what he came up with was a system he affectionately dubbed Class, which is just short for Claude Drafts. Now, I know the word system can sound a little intimidating, but let's demystify that tech jargon right now. Class is at its core just a friendly, incredibly powerful workflow designed to conquer your absolute biggest enemy, that endless email queue. It works by simply hooking up context knowledge, stuff you already have, with a system prompt and some basic pattern matching. Basically, it lets you manage your inbox programmatically instead of painstakingly doing it all by hand.
What's really interesting about this setup is how it takes what sounds like a really complex technical API workflow and breaks it down into 3 simple, bite-sized steps that literally anyone in this room can master. Step 1, system prompt. Step 2, context retrieval. And Step 3, generate draft. That is it. That's the entire architecture of the Class system. Let's actually walk through exactly how you would set this whole shebang up for your own accounts.
Okay, we start with Step 1, the system prompt. This is where you give the AI its identity and its core mission. And honestly, the best part? You don't have to write a single line of complex code to do this. Sure, behind the scenes, it's utilizing the Claude API, but for you, it's just a super simple interface. You literally just type in your name, just like Jared did. Then you hit a little drop-down menu and select your role, like account executive. Finally, you define exactly how you help your customers. You click generate and boom, you've just built the foundational prompt that tells Claude exactly who it needs to be when it drafts your emails.
Next up is Step 2, context retrieval. And I gotta say, this is where the absolute magic happens. Remember that brutal 9 p.m. manual grind we talked about earlier, all that frantic searching? Well, this step eliminates that completely. The Class system actually integrates directly with Google Docs. It can fetch external web URLs, so if you need to pull information straight from a documentation website, it just grabs it. It pulls all that internal knowledge together automatically. You just add the relevant Docker URL, and the system gathers all the necessary context for you. Boom. No more digging through Google Drives, no more frantic Slack searches. The knowledge is literally served up to you on a silver platter.
Finally, we reach Step 3, generate draft. So you've got your persona dialed in, you've got your documentation loaded up, now you just click onto an email, hit generate draft, and Claude goes right to work. It retrieves the info from your website, parses the internal documentation, loads all of that highly specific context right at the top of its processing, and essentially just starts writing for you. And the result? You get this highly technical, perfectly accurate response. You can speak technically with your customers instantly, sounding like a totally seasoned product expert, and you didn't even have to spend an hour researching the answer.
So the crucial point is exactly how much time this actually saves you in the real world. Jared estimated that this adorable, surprisingly simple little system saves him at least 2 to 3 hours. So let's average that out to 2.5 hours every single day, just on answering emails. I mean, really think about that. 2.5 hours a day is over 12 hours a week. That is literally an entire extra working day given back to you, simply because you chose to implement a smart technical architecture instead of relying on brute force manual labor.
And when we zoom out and look at the scale of this success, it gets even more impressive. Thousands, yes, thousands of emails have been effortlessly generated and sent by the class system. And this brilliantly illustrates a fundamental rule of technology that I really want every single one of you to internalize today. Systems scale infinitely better than human hours. You only have so much energy and so many hours in your day, right? But a well-designed AI workflow? It can handle thousands of requests without even breaking a sweat.
This actually leads to a really profound realization from Jared that I absolutely love. He said, and I quote, "With the technical barrier dissolving, I'm almost able to design more products and have senior engineers help me implement this. By simply understanding how to string these AI tools together, the context, the prompts, the generation, Jared realized he didn't actually need a fancy computer science degree to build software. The technical barrier just dissolved. And this is exactly what I want for all of you. Understanding these tools doesn't just save you a bunch of time, it opens up massive new career opportunities where you become the designer of solutions, not just the operator."
And honestly, that is exactly what happened to Jared. Just look at this incredible career evolution. By shifting his mindset from doing manual work to building technical solutions, his entire career transformed. He went from being an overwhelmed startup account executive drowning in 700 accounts to stepping into a brand new, highly technical role, go-to-market architect at Anthropic. A year prior, he never would have believed he had the technical chops to even be in those conversations. But by using Claude to actually build solutions, he changed his entire career trajectory into something he never thought possible.
Which brings us to the most important part of this entire explainer. The choice is now yours. Do you want to stay drowning in your inbox forever, working until 9 p.m., manually scouring through endless documents? Or are you ready to embrace these technical tools, dissolve your own technical barriers, and start building the solutions of tomorrow? The architecture is right there, just waiting for you to use it. So let's get to work and start building.